Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Srijyoti. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is of class 10 mathematics chapter 5 arithmetic progression. So what is a progression? Progression is the sequence, that is list of numbers in which succeeding terms is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. So in this chapter we will study how to find any terms of the sequence and sum of the terms of the sequence using formula. So first of all, let's look at an example for the sequence. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. It's a sequence, right? That is list of numbers. And here it is the progression. Why? Because here we know that every succeeding terms are obtained by adding 2 to the preceding terms. Right? See, 4 is obtained by adding 2 to the first term, that is preceding term 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? So here 2 is the difference. So it is the progression. Okay? And another example, 3, 5, 8, 9, 13, etc. See here, 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That is, here a difference of succeeding terms and preceding terms are different. Right? Therefore, it is not the progression. Okay? So, here we will study about the sequence, this type of sequence. Okay? Now, let's define arithmetic progression. A list of numbers A1, A2, A3, etc. An is called an arithmetic progression if there exists a fixed number D, such that A2 minus A1 is equal to D. Okay, that is difference of succeeding term and preceding term, that is A2 minus A1. Okay, A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. Here A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, An is the nth term. Okay, so here this list of number is called an arithmetic progression if there exists a fixed number D such that A2 minus A1 is equal to D, A3 minus A2 is equal to D, A4 minus A3 is equal to D, etc. An minus An minus 1 is equal to D. Okay. So here, so what is the D? D is the difference. Differences of every succeeding and preceding terms. This D is called common difference. Okay. This D is called common difference. So therefore, in general we can write if A is the first term, then next term and D is the constant term. Sorry, common difference. Okay. A is the first term, D is the common difference. Then what will be the next term in this sequence? A plus D. A is the first term, then second term will be A plus D. See for example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Okay. So it is the progression, right? A sequence. And here what is the difference? 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Right? So here difference is 2. That is D is equal to 2. Okay. Now here we can write, see, first term is 3, then second term is 3 plus 2. That is 5. Right? Next term is 3 plus 2 plus 2. Right? That is 3 plus 2 plus 2. That is nothing but 7. Right? Next term is 3 plus 2 plus 2. Next again one more 2. Okay? Etc. So here in general we can write, see first term, if first term is A and D is the common difference, then second term is a plus d. And third term is a plus 2d. And fourth term is a plus 3d, etc. Then what will be the nth term? See here second. Okay, so let's take the third term. In third term, a plus 2d. See here, when third means 3, it will be 2 here. That means n minus 1, right? So here nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay? That is, in general, we can write the arithmetic progression in this form. A is the first term, next term is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 3d is the fourth term, etc. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, here we can write nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let's go through an example. Examine that the list of numbers 13, 10, 7, 4, etc. form an AP. An AP means arithmetic progression. If it forms an AP, write the next two terms. So here, first of all, we have to check whether this list of numbers an AP or not. Okay. So for that, first of all, here 4 terms are given, right? So first term is A1, that is equal to 30. And second term A2 is equal to 10. Third term A3 is equal to 7. Fourth term A4 is equal to 4. Right? Now let's find the difference. Okay? That is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 10 minus 13, that is equal to minus 3. Next we will find A3 minus A2, that is equal to 7 minus 10, that is equal to minus 3. And next we will find A4 minus A3, that is equal to 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. See, we have got the same difference, right? So it is minus 3 is the common difference. So now here, that means given list of numbers form an AP. Okay, given list of number forms an AP. And next question is write the next two terms. Okay. Okay, now let's write. Given list of numbers forms an AP. And next two terms. So here, see 4, what is the common difference? Common difference is minus 3, right? So here we know that succeeding term is obtained by adding minus 3 to the preceding terms. Okay. So here next we have to add 4 plus minus 3. Okay. First term is 13. Then 13 minus 3 plus minus 3 is 10. 10 plus minus 3 is 7. Right. 7 plus minus 3 is 4. 4 plus minus 3 is 1. 1 plus minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. So next two terms, 1 minus 2. Find the common difference of the AP 5 1 by 2, 9 1 by 2, 13 1 by 2, 17 1 by 2, etc. So here we have to find the common difference. And it is given that it's an AP. That is, every difference of every succeeding terms and preceding terms are same. Okay. Therefore, it is enough to find any one. So let's find first one. Okay. That is first term and second term. That is second term. How to find the common difference? Second term minus first term. So 9 1 by 2 minus 5 1 by 2, that is equal to 4. So 4 is the common difference. Show that the list of numbers defined by an is equal to 3n square minus 5 is not an AP. So here we have to show given list of numbers is not an arithmetic progression, right? So for that, first of all, let's write it is nth term is given, right? an is equal to 3n square minus 5. Let's find the first term by substituting n is equal to 1 in an, right? So a1 is equal to 3 into 1 square 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Next, let's find second term by substituting n is equal to 2. 3 into 2 square 4 minus 5 is equal to 12 minus 5 7. Next, third term 3 into 3 square. Substitute n is equal to 3. 3 square is 9 minus 5 is equal to 27 minus 5 22. Next, a4 is equal to 3 into n is equal to 4. 4 square is 16 minus 5 is equal to 48 minus 5 43. Okay. Now here we have got 4 terms. Now let's find the differences, right? That is a2 minus a1. Second term minus first term. 7 minus minus 2, that is 7 plus 2 9. Next, a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. 22 minus 7, that is equal to 15. a4 minus a3, that is equal to 43 minus 22 is equal to 21. See, here we have got different differences, right? So here, see, a2 minus a1 is 9, a3 minus a2 is equal to 15, a4 minus a3 is equal to 21. Therefore, here there is no common difference, right? Therefore, given list of numbers is not an AP. Given list of numbers is not an AP. Since there is no common difference, okay? Write next 3 terms of the given AP. A plus B, first term is A plus B, second term is A plus 1 plus B, third term is A plus 1 plus B plus 1. So next, there are 3 terms. 3 terms are given. Okay. Now here, see, it's an AP. It is given that it's an AP. Therefore, there is a common difference, right? So let's find the common difference. Then only we can find the next 3 terms, right? So first of all, let's find the common difference. So here a1, that is first term is equal to a plus b and second term is equal to a plus 1 plus b. So how to find the common difference? Common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, right? That is equal to a plus 1 plus b minus a plus b. So here a plus b, minus of a plus b cancelled, so remaining 1. So we have got common difference is 1. See, or you can find from this a3 minus a2. You will get the same difference 1. Okay. Now we have got the common difference is 1. Next we will find the next term, that is fourth term. So third term is a plus 1 plus b plus 1. So how to find the fourth term? That is a4 is equal to third term plus common difference d, that is equal to a third, that is third term is a plus 1 plus b plus 1 plus d, common difference, plus 1. Okay. So here we can write it as a plus 2 plus b plus 1. Okay. Let's write in this form. Okay. So a plus 1 plus b plus 1 plus 1 can be written as a plus 2 plus b plus 1. Okay. We have taken this one here. Now it is the fourth term. Next a5, fifth term, that is fourth term plus common difference, that is fourth term is this one, a plus 2 plus b plus 1 plus 1, d is 1, common difference is 1. So this can be written as a plus 2 plus b plus 2, okay, a plus 2 plus b plus 2. Next, here we have got fifth term, see, until sixth term we have to find. It is here we have to write the next 3 terms, right? So until 6th term, right? So here A6 is equal to, that is 5th term A5 plus common difference, that is equal to A plus 2 plus B plus 2 plus common difference is 1, that is equal to A plus, here we can write it as, take this one here, so A plus 3 plus B plus 2. That is 3rd term, 4th term, 5th term, 6th term. We have found next 3 terms, right? So that is A plus 2 plus B plus 1. Next is A plus 2 plus B plus 2. Next A plus 3 plus B plus 2. Next we are going through nth term of an AP. Okay. So here we know that if A is the first term and D is the common difference, then nth term an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? It's very important. A is the first term and if D is the common difference, then nth term an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here look at this example. Find 20th term of the AP 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5, etc. So here we have to find the 20th term. 4 terms are, first 4 terms are given. We have to find the 20th term. And we know that we have a formula an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference. So here we need to find first term and common difference. If we have first term and common difference, we can find the nth term, right? See here what is n? Here we have to find the 20th term, right? Therefore n is equal to 20. So let's write first A is equal to, first term A is equal to 7 and D is equal to common difference. Let's find the common difference. 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. Or you can find minus 1 minus 3, that is also minus 4. Okay. So D is equal to, common difference D is equal to minus 4. After that, what is n? n is equal to 20 because we need to find 20th term. Okay. Now let's substitute. Therefore 20th term is equal to A plus, what is A? 7 plus n is 20. 20 minus 1 into D is minus 4. That is equal to 7 plus 19 into minus 4, that is equal to 7. 19 into 4 is 76. So minus 76. Okay. 19 into minus 4 is minus 76. That is equal to minus 69. So here minus 69 is the 20th term. Okay. Therefore 20th term of the AP, given AP is minus 69. Next question. Check whether 200 is a term of the list of numbers 7, 11, 15, 19, etc. See here it's an AP, right? It's an AP. And here we have to check whether 200 is a term or not of this AP. Okay. So here, see for that, see first of all, okay, let's suppose 200 is a term of this AP. Then which term? 200 is which term? That is, see, 7 is the first term, 11 is the second term, 15 is the third term, 19 is the fourth term. So, which term is 200? That we have to find. Okay. So, that means n. We have to find n. And if we get n is a whole number, then we can confirm that 200 is a term of this AP. Okay. Now, let's check. See, first of all, here, first term is A, that is 7. First term A is equal to 7. And what is the common difference? D, 11 minus 7 is 4. Right? Okay. After that, See, let's take 200, that is an is equal to 200. Okay, that is nth term 200. So here we have to find the n, which term is 200. Okay, now if an is equal to 200, then we have to find the value of n. So for that, let's apply the same formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It's very important. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now an is equal to, that is 200 is equal to a is 7 plus n minus 1. Here we don't know what is n. Okay, so n minus 1 into d. D is 4. Simplify. 200 minus, is equal to 7 plus 4n minus 4. Okay, 4n minus 4. That is equal to 4n plus 3. Then take this 3 here. So 200 minus 3 is equal to 4n. That implies 4n is equal to 200 minus 3 is 197. Is it a multiple of 4? See, let's take n is equal to 197 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16, 3, 37. See, 4 9s are 36, 1 is remaining, right? So we will get a fraction, right? Therefore, here, see, it's not a whole number. Okay, 197 divided by 4 is not a whole number. Therefore, there is no term as 200. Okay, 200 is not a term of this AP. Okay, see, if we get a whole number, then we can confirm the 200 is a term of this AP. Okay, here we got n is a fraction. Okay, that means this 200 is not a term of this list of numbers. Okay, this shows that 200 is not a term of given AP. Now look at an important question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. will be 120 more than its 21st term? Okay, so here we have to find which term is 120 more than 21st term. So what is the 21st term? We don't know, right? So first of all, let's find 21st term. That is A21. N is equal to 21. Okay. So here, what is our formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here, we are going to find 21st term. Okay, that is A21. That is equal to, what is A here? 3. 3 plus n is 21 minus 1 into d. What is d? 15 minus 3 is 12. Right? So, it is 12. So, that is equal to 3 plus 20, 12 into 20. That is equal to 3 plus 240. That is equal to 243. So, it is the 21st term. Okay, 21st term is 243. And here it is given that, see, we have to find which term is 120 more than 21st term. Okay, that means 21st term is 243 and 243 plus 120, that is equal to 363. So 363. So which term is 363? That is, again here we have to find the value of n. Okay. So here what is an? 363. Okay. Here an is equal to 363. We have to find the n. That is which term. Okay. Now same formula. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is given, that is 363 that is equal to, what is A? First term 3 and n minus 1. Here we don't know value of n. Okay. So n minus 1 into d is 12. Okay. That is equal to 3 plus 12n minus 12. That is equal to 12n minus 9. Take this 9 this side. So 363 plus 9 is equal to 12n. That implies 372 is equal to 12n. 12n is equal to 372. That implies n is equal to 372 divided by 12. That is 12 3s are 36, 1 remaining, 12 1s are 12. See, we have got n is equal to 31. That means 31st term is 363. What is 363? That is 31st term is 120 more than its 21st term. Okay. So, what is the answer? 31st term. 31st term is the 120 more than its 21st term. How many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by 7? Here we have to find how many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by 7. So here the numbers are 2-digit numbers, right? So here first of all, which are divisible by 7, right? So first of all, let's find what is the first number which is divisible by 7. We know that 7 ones are 7, it is 1-digit number, 7 twos are 14, right? So 14 is the first 2-digit number which is divisible by 7, right? So 14 is the first number, okay, 2-digit number. After that, 14 plus 7, 21, then 28, then 35, etc. Okay. Now here we have to find, see how many such 2-digit numbers are there. Okay. So for that, we have to find the last 2-digit number which is divisible by 7. How to find that? Last 2-digit number which is divisible by 7. See, here we know that 99 is the last 2-digit number, right? Natural number. Okay, 99 is the last 2-digit number, right? And divided by 7. Okay, what we will get? See, 7 ones are 7, 2 is remaining, right? 2 is remainder. So 29. We know that 7 fours are 28. So what is the remainder? 1. Right? So if it is 98, then 98 is divisible by 7. Right? 98 is divisible by 7. We know that 98 divided by 7 is 14. Okay. Therefore, here what is the last 2-digit number which is divisible by 7? 98. Okay. See, in this method you can find it. Okay. So here we have got the last 2-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 98. Okay. Now we have to find, see how many such numbers are there. That means we have to find which term is 98. Right? First term is 14, second term is 21, third term is 28, fourth is 35, etc. Which term is 98? That is, we have to find the value of n. If it is nth term. Okay. Now, here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what is a? Value of a is equal to 14 and d is equal to, it is nothing but 7, right? 7. Then after that we have to find n. So what is an? An is equal to 98. Okay. So 98 is equal to a plus, that is 14 plus n minus 1. N, we have to find the value of n, right? So n minus 1 into d. into 7. That is equal to 14 plus 7n minus 7. That is equal to 7n plus 7. Okay. Now, here 98 minus 7 is equal to 7n. That implies 7n is equal to 91. That implies n is equal to 91 divided by 7. That is 7 ones are 7, 2 is remainder, 21. So 7 3s are 21. So here we have got n is equal to 13. That means 13th term is 98. That means there are 13 terms. Okay. So 13th term is 98. Okay. 98 is the 13th term. Therefore, there are 13 terms. That means 13 two digits are divisible by 7. Okay, there are 13 two digits numbers which are divisible by 7. CBSE 2024 question. If nth term of an AP is 7n minus 4, then the common difference of the AP is dash. Options 7, 7n minus 4, 4. So let's find. See here, nth term is given. That is an is equal to 7n minus 4. So to find the common difference, we have to find first term and second term. Okay. So let's find first term a1 by substituting n is equal to 1. So 7 into 1, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. Next a2 is equal to 7 into 2, 14, 14 minus 4, 10. Right? So we have got first two terms. Then we can find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1. Common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. So 7 is the correct answer. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then find the value of A18 minus A30. See here A18 is nothing but 18th term. Okay. A13 is 13th term. So we have to find A18 minus A13 and common difference of an AP is given. Okay. So here we know that, see, A18 can be written as A plus n minus 1 into d. See, what is n? 18. N minus 1, that is 17. Okay. A18 is equal to A plus 17d. Same formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, what is A13? A13 can be written as A plus 12d. Right? N minus 1, that is 13 minus 1, 12. Okay. Now, we have to find this one, right? A18 minus A13 is equal to A plus 17d minus A plus 12d. That is equal to A plus 17d minus A minus 12d. Here A minus A cancelled. That is equal to 17d minus 12d is 5d, right? 5d. And d value is here. We have d value. That is common difference is 5. So d is equal to 5. So 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Therefore, A18 minus A13 is equal to 25.